Are you tired of watching boring travel videos that fail to capture the essence of a place? Well, you've come to the right place because I am going to share with you how to create a travel video script that will transport your audience to the location you're exploring and keep them engaged from start to finish. Let's do it right now. Alright, so first things first, I want to know what made you click on this video. What are you struggling with on your travel videos? Let me know in the comment section below and let's help each other out. Now, on to the topic of our video. The first thing that you need to figure out is the structure of your travel video script. A good script is divided into three main parts: the introduction, the main body, and the conclusion. The introduction should hook your audience and give them reason to keep watching. The main body is where you will showcase the sights, sounds, and culture of the location that you are exploring. And in the conclusion, you should wrap up the video and leave a lasting impression to your audience. Once you've decided on your structure, it's time to research the location you'll be exploring. Gather information on the popular sights, sounds, and local customs. And take note of what makes that location unique. The tip that I can give you here is to use Google Maps. Whenever you Google a place, it will show the best spots around that area. So try using Google Maps, it will help a lot. Now that you are in the area, this is where descriptive language come in. Remember, descriptive language. Use vivid descriptions to transport your audience to the location that you are exploring. Paint a picture with words and take them on a journey that they will never forget. Be like Hemingway. When Hemingway describes eating apples in his books, the way that he writes it is that he uses descriptive language to describe the feeling of eating an apple. It's like having 1,000 sweet sand in your mouth. That is how Hemingway describes eating an apple. That is how you will be able to transport your audience from the location that you are in and make them feel what you are feeling. Now, personal anecdotes are another way to make your travel video script stand out. Share your own experiences and observations to give your video a personal touch. Don't forget to use visual images like maps and other aids to help illustrate your points and engage your audience. Finally, a good travel video script should have a memorable conclusion. Summarize what you've covered in the main body and leave your audience with a lasting impression of the location you've just explored. And that's it. With these tips, you can write a compelling travel video script that will keep your audience engaged from start to finish. So now you are ready to create a travel video that will inspire others and explore the whole world. But how do you develop a story? Check this video right here so that we can all learn, create, and share. Peace out.